Right now the universe is vibrating, but not in a way you can hear. Imagine a cosmic symphony playing out across billions of light years, a silent tremor that passes through you, through the Earth, through everything, completely unnoticed. It's a phenomenon so profound it reshapes the very fabric of existence, yet for centuries it remained a whisper in the equations of a genius. This isn't some abstract theory anymore. It's a tangible reality, confirmed by instruments so sensitive they can detect distortions smaller than an atom's width. Albert Einstein, over a century ago, gave us the first hint. His theory of general relativity didn't just describe gravity as a force, but as a curvature of space and time itself. Mass and energy warp this fabric, much like a bowling ball on a stretched rubber sheet. And when massive objects accelerate, they create ripples in this fabric, gravitational waves. Think of it like dropping a stone into a pond. The ripples spread outwards. But here, the pond is space-time, and the stone is something unimaginably massive, moving at incredible speeds. For decades, these waves were purely theoretical. Then, in 2015, humanity finally heard the universe's deepest hum, thanks to the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, or LIGO. It was the sound of two black holes, colliding over 1 billion light-years away. These waves are born from the most violent events in the cosmos. Picture two black holes, each many times the mass of our Sun, spiraling inward, accelerating to incredible fractions of the speed of light. In their final moments they merge, releasing an amount of energy equivalent to several suns converted entirely into gravitational waves. Or consider neutron stars, the super-dense remnants of exploded stars. When two of these cosmic titans collide, they don't just create gravitational waves. They forge heavy elements like gold and platinum, scattering them across the universe. These are the events that literally stretch and compress the very space between us. As a gravitational wave passes, it momentarily squashes space in one direction while stretching it in another, then reverses the effect. It's an oscillating distortion, a cosmic breath that expands and contracts everything in its path, including you, though on a scale far too small for us to ever feel. Detecting these minuscule changes is an engineering marvel. LIGO uses kilometer-long arms with lasers bouncing back and forth. If a gravitational wave passes, it subtly changes the length of these arms, altering the laser's path by an amount smaller than 1/10,000th the diameter of a proton. It's like trying to measure the width of a human hair from across the solar system, yet we are doing it. Today, observatories like LIGO and Virgo are constantly listening, picking up dozens of these events every year. Each detection is a new story, a new piece of the cosmic puzzle, revealing the unseen dynamics of black holes, neutron stars, and perhaps even more exotic phenomena. But here's the twist. If space itself is moving, stretching, and compressing, what does stillness even mean? If the very fabric of our reality is constantly undulating, then our perception of a fixed, unchanging background is an illusion. We are living within a dynamic, vibrating universe, a universe that is never truly still. These waves are not just theoretical curiosities. They are a new sense for humanity. For millennia, we've observed the universe through light, visible light, radio waves, X-rays. But light can be blocked by dust and gas. Gravitational waves, however, pass through everything unimpeded. They offer us an entirely new window, allowing us to peer into the darkest, most obscured corners of the cosmos. They let us witness the birth of black holes, the mergers of neutron stars, and the earliest moments of the universe, long before light could even escape. We are mapping invisible parts of the universe, charting a cosmic ocean that was once utterly dark to us. We are listening to the heartbeat of the cosmos, and it's changing everything we thought we knew. Each ripple tells a story of unimaginable power, of creation and destruction on scales that defy comprehension. It's a symphony of space-time, playing out in silence, yet speaking volumes about the nature of reality. We are not just passive observers. We are part of this grand, vibrating tapestry. The universe is not a static stage. It is a living, breathing entity, constantly in motion, constantly evolving. And now, we have the ears to hear its deepest secrets. Maybe silence isn't empty space. It's the sound of the universe breathing,